I have an unboxing for you, and it has nothing to do with diamond painting. When I treat myself to something, I buy candles or a flavored coffee or books. And I made a purchase from a candle company that is new to me. It is Serene Nights Candle. This is a woman-owned, black-owned business. And I am so excited to open these. It is dusk here, so in a few minutes, I am going to go in my room, light this candle, and turn out the lights, and I'm going to enjoy listening to the bugs sing and the candlelight flickering, because that's what I do for me. Oh, this is packed so nice. Look how pretty. This is so nice. I love the colors. Not your average candle. Can't wait. Can't wait. Adjust your crown. Favor isn't fair. Know your worth. Yes, ma'am. Oh my gosh, that smells so good already. I bought 3 because I don't burn for just a couple of hours. Well, tonight it'll be a little bit. Serene Nights Candle Company handcrafted soy-based candles and wax melts. SereneNightsCandleCompany.com, and I am not an affiliate. This is not a referral. I am just bragging about my new candles. I'm sorry, showing you my new candles. And there's a beautiful Hello Spring, a nice thank you card, and a packing slip. All right, you ready? Oh my gosh. I don't know which one I'm going to burn first. So I like really heavy scented candles and strong scented candles. And by the difference, I mean, well, I like the strong, but I make the really heavy scents, not sometimes the light scents. Oh, this is so pretty. Gray sweatpants. So this is kind of a masculine scent, which I'm going to love. I just know it. Oh my gosh. That's nice. This is masculine. If you like the masculine scents or have a guy in your life that would love this, look how pretty. It's packaged so nice. I love it. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. And then I got, let's see. I'm going to run out of time here. I've cleaned off my memory in my phone a few times, but it's just so full. I guess when you delete something from your phone, it doesn't really get deleted, right? Oh, cake by the pound. This is a 12-ounce candle, and it's lemon, and it has a lemon slice here, and it has whipped cream on top with the sparkles. Can you see the sparkles? I'm going to try to get it in the light so you can see the sparkles. Oh. I don't think I think you can see the glimmer. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one I'm going to burn first. And the next one is let's see. Because I don't remember. Oh, so fresh and so clean. So fresh and so clean. Oh, like laundry dried outside. Oh, your candles are fabulous. I am so excited. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. And she put a little cool pack in here too, to make sure that it stayed cool and didn't melt. Thank you. All right. SereneCandles.com, Serene Nights. Serene Nights Candle Company. You have to go find her candles. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to go with the lemon tonight.